boys, today we're gonna be unboxing something very special. I don't need this. What is this? Today, boys, we're going to be unboxing a refrigerator. Now, this is a special refrigerator. It's not just any old refrigerator. It's very special. So, gentlemen, let me get something to open this with. All right. Let's go ahead and let's get it open. There we go. And go ahead and go down here. Piece of shit. Come on. Get out. There we go. Okay. We're good. We had a little bit of blood on the blade, but that's okay. This is a dangerous battle. Put this down. Okay. So we've got this piece of fucking styrofoam. Get this out of the way, okay? And this over there. And now we have the actual refrigerator. Now it's in there. Okay. Shit! Okay, I'm thinking about it. Let me just give me a minute. How do I do it? I fucking get it right this? I'll lift it? Come on, bitch! Come on, motherfucker! I'll be right back. Alright. I didn't want to have to do this, but we're gonna have to do this. Now, which ones do you guys want to see me use? Do I use the axe or the machete? Give me 1 second. And by the way, I put my shoes on for this in case I drop it. I take the machete? Alright. Let me try and do part of it with the machete. Oh, that's going real well. God damn! God damn, that bitch cuts good! God damn! Alright, dual wheel? Y'all ready? I'm gonna fuck this up. I don't know if I can do the axe, man. I use this as a throwing axe sometimes in my backyard. But unfortunately, I'm not really gonna. I ain't gonna show you that right now. Let's just go ahead and just use the machete, okay? Give me 1 second. This one, it's so sharp. I have to get a thing for it. Okay, here we go. I'm trying to get back into the rhythm. There we go. All right. Let me move it up a bit. Y'all ready? Y'all ready to see it? There it is, boys. There it is. What do y'all think? What do y'all fucking think of that shit, dude? This is nice. They sent me a new refrigerator. Look at this. Get this right out of there. There we go. I did stab the Yo, it came like that, man. I don't know what it was. Wow. It's actually nice. It's empty? It's alright, boys. I got the Mountain Dew right here. I'll go ahead, I'll put one inside of it. If you put a Coca-Cola in here and you shut the door, it turns into a game fuel. It's like a fucking philosopher's stone. Go ahead and get it pulled out of here. Get this shit out of the way. I'll move this out. Oh wow! Look at this! Look at this! Wait 1 second. Shit. Okay, that's good. Yo, take a look. What's wrong with my leg? What's wrong with my legs, huh? What's wrong with my damn legs? My legs are fucking fine. Like, my legs are completely fucking fine. I don't want to hear about that shit. I look great. So we'll go ahead, we'll take a look inside of it. How can I do this? I know. I'll take this. I'll take this, and I'll put it right up in here so y'all can see it. There we go. Alright, so we got the refrigerator right here. Where is it? I forgot I put it in there. I forgot I put the dents? What do you mean dents? There's no dents in it. No, bro, that's not a dent. That's not a dent, bro. That's like that's supposed to be there. It's like screw holes. That's totally okay. Okay. So we'll open up inside. Oh yeah, that's the camera, so they can watch me, make sure I'm not drinking any Coca-Cola. Alright. This does look real nice, I'm gonna be honest. This looks nice. I might actually replace mine. Take a look at this. Oh my god. One true king. That's so bad. Let me show you guys. Take a look at this. You believe that? That's so badass, dude. Okay. Let's see. Where do I want to put this? I guess I'll just put it right down here. The thing itself is only like it's only like 50 pounds. It's not like it's a fucking super heavy thing. Where's my thing? Dude, this shit is so sharp, by the way. Can I show you guys? I don't know if I want to do this one. Let me see. Okay, here's one. Watch. Watch this. Look at that. Just cuts right fucking through it. Right fucking through it. My dad got me this. That's why I have the leather case for it. Staying safe. Alrighty, this is really, really nice, boys. Yeah, anyway, guys, it's a really, really nice nice refrigerator. I thought that I was gonna use the axe. I really did. But it turned out that it was just not really not the right size.